CRS2 conducts safety inspection. Pioneer News Service Varanasi. In order to upgrade passenger facilities and expand the infrastructure for ease of operation by the Railway Administration, after the completion of the doubling of Khorasan Road Shahganj 21.6 km rail section with electrified line on Mao Shahganj rail section of Varanasi Division, Commissioner of Railway Safety CRS Northeastern Circle, NE Circle Pranjeev Saxena will conduct safety inspection of this section on October 4 and 5. At the time of this inspection, the CRS will be accompanied by Chief Manager Infrastructure of Varanasi Division Roshan Lal Yadav, Senior Divisional Electrical Engineer SDE Traction RM Singh, Senior Divisional Electrical Engineer General Pankaj K. Sharwani, Senior Divisional Signal and Telecommunication Engineer 2 Yashveer Singh along with engineers, employees of RVNL and authors were present. The PCEE first inspected Shahganj railway station and traction power station, then reached Khorasan Road station by motor trolley. He also inspected Khanjahalt power sub-station at Didarganj Road station where he checked yard plan, neutral section, power substation, station working route. PCEE Sanjay Singhal inspecting the Shahganj section of Varanasi division of NER on Thursday. Administrative Officer Cow Construction Abhay Kumar Gupta, Divisional Railway Manager DRM, Varanasi Vineet Kumar Srivastav along with senior officers of Northeastern Railway, NER Headquarters and Varanasi Division as well as Rail Vikas Nigam Limited RVNL. After the safety inspection, speed test is also to be done at full speed on Shahganj to Khorasan Road rail section by CRS Special. Meanwhile, on Thursday, Principal Chief Electrical Engineer PCEE of NER Sanjay Singhal conducted a safety inspection and test of electrification of the newly constructed second line under the doubling scheme on the Khorasan Road Shahganj rail section. On the occasion of safety inspection of electrification, additional divisional railway platform clearance, point crossing, signaling, earthing track, height of overhead traction, block overlap, fouling mark, sand hump, feeder power supply distribution system and control feeder isolation etc. as per the standard of electrified rail section. At Khorasan Road Station, Singhal inspected various works developed as per electrification of the doubled rail section and found all the works as per standard. While inspecting the said rail section, the PCEE ensured proper distance of overhead from the level crossing gates in the block section, indent of curvature, pool culverts and line fittings as per electrified standard norms in the block section, ballasting and packing, clearance on curvature and installation of level crossing gates, boom lock and height gauges as per electrification.